Hello, welcome new person. Today, I will show you stuff not to do when being at work. Well, anyways, I'm not gonna talk much, so here's number 1. Never do any tricks. Number 2. Don't steal other people's signs.